Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install GitHub in your desktop using Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install GitHub application in your Windows laptop or PC, and this method works for both Windows 10 or 11. So first you are going to open your browser, any browser that you are using, and in the search bar you are going to type GitHub desktop. You will see here the first official website, desktop.github.com. You just click here, download GitHub desktop. You will find the button here, download for Windows, and if you are using Mac you can just click here. For us Windows, we are going to click on download for Windows, and once we do that the download will start. We just click on save, and as you can see here the download started, and once it finished you just click on it and install it. Just easy step. Two button, you just go to click on next, and it will be installed, and that's it. After that you just log into your account and you can use it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.